So now let's see how we can use the screw modifier to revolve around parts to make different shapes inside of Blender. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to delete all of these options right here on my default viewport, and then I'm going to insert a Bezier curve. So to do that, I'm going to go to add right here. I'm going to go to curve, and then I'm going to insert a Bezier. So I have the Bezier. So I'm going to go around and then view this from the top. So I'm going to go to view, and on the top right here, just like this, I'm going to press tab on my keyboard, and there you go. This is what I have. So now I'm just going to go around and modify the shape out. So I'm just going to go around right here and press Z, drag it onto the side just like this, and there you go. So this is what I have now. So I'm going to go around onto the top itself because I accidentally moved it, and there you go. This is what I have. So I'm going to move this out. I'm just going to go around, press Z right here, and there you go. Press Z right here, and then there you go. I'm going to make a very simple glass right here. Press Z so to get the detail out right here. And then I'm going to press E to actually extrude this out onto the side. And then over here, I'm going to go around and press Z to move this around over here as well, just like this. There you go. And I'm going to press Z right here and put it right around over here, just like this. And this is what I have. I got the side view of a glass, as you can see right here. So now what I need to do is I need to add in the screw option to this one. So I'm just going to go around right here. I'm going to go around into the option right here for where I can add in the modifier. So I'm going to go to the modifier properties, and I'm going to go to add modifier over here. And then over here, I'm going to click on screw. So once I do that, it screws out. As you can see, it didn't actually rotate from the right side. So you can choose different axis right here, Y axis or X axis. And you can see that this is how it looks. So now this is a glass, as you can see. You can press tab over here and then make adjustment after you apply the modifier as well. So I can press Z and then push this out further. You can see that I can push this out further, push this in, and there you go. This now looks like a glass, as you can see right here. And this is a glass that you can use. So you can go around and then rotate it around according to how you like it, and work around with this as if you work around with any other model. So just like this, you can create, like, let's say for example, duplicates right here, just like this, and then there you go. You got a drinking glass just like that. And that is how you can use screw on path to create shapes by revolving around the parts inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.